Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. All right, guys, let's dive even deeper into the world of JustMarkets in 2025, a platform that has been gaining more attention among traders for its solid reputation, competitive features, and overall user experience. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned professional, this review will cover everything from account types to platform features, trading conditions, and much more. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether JustMarkets is the right choice for your trading needs in 2025. We'll begin with the account types. One of JustMarkets' strongest points is how accessible it is to a wide variety of traders. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner with a small budget or an advanced trader looking for advanced features. JustMarkets offers account types tailored to meet those needs. The standard account is ideal for newcomers with no commission and reasonable spreads. It's a great way to get your feet wet without diving too deep into trading costs. For those looking for more precision, the Pro account offers tighter spreads and comes with a small commission fee. The commission is usually very low, but the tighter spreads can make a significant difference if you're a frequent trader. The Raw Spread account is best suited for those who rely on scalping strategies or need the fastest execution. With spreads starting from zero point 0.0 pips, it ensures that traders can minimize slippage and take advantage of every market move. For those who are just testing their trading strategies without risking too much capital, JustMarkets also offers a cent account. This account allows you to trade in cents instead of dollars, which makes it perfect for beginners or anyone testing strategies in live market conditions, but with minimal risk. This flexibility is one of the reasons JustMarkets is so appealing, especially if you're new to the world of trading. When it comes to trading platforms, JustMarkets is firmly in the corner of MetaTrader. Whether you choose MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you're getting a reliable, high-performance platform that's designed for traders of all levels. Both platforms are known for their user-friendly interfaces and powerful features, including customizable charts, technical analysis tools, and automated trading options. MetaTrader 4 MT4 is perfect for those focused on Forex trading. It's fast, efficient, and supports expert advisors, so if you're someone who enjoys automated trading, MT4 is a great choice. The platform is incredibly reliable, and its customization options allow you to personalize your trading experience. On the other hand, MetaTrader 5 MT5 is more suited for those who want to diversify their portfolios beyond just Forex. MT5 supports additional asset classes such as stocks, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. The built-in economic calendar, more time frames, and more technical indicators give you even more data to base your trades on, making it ideal for those who need a more comprehensive toolset. Both platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile versions, making it easy to access your account and trade from anywhere. This flexibility is key in today's fast-moving markets, especially for those who want to take advantage of price movements on the go. Let's talk about spreads and execution speeds, which are crucial factors for any active trader. On the Raw Spread account, you can expect spreads as low as 0.0 pips, especially during high liquidity times. This is incredibly important for traders looking to profit from small price movements or those using high-frequency trading strategies. The low spreads combined with ultra-fast execution speeds, around 100 milliseconds, make JustMarkets an appealing choice for those who need precision and speed. When you combine these low spreads with the option of high leverage, up to 1.3000, JustMarkets opens up many opportunities, especially for experienced traders. This level of leverage can significantly increase your buying power, but it does come with increased risk. It's important to use leverage wisely, but if managed correctly, it can be a powerful tool in maximizing returns. Next up, let's talk about deposits and withdrawals, which are key factors for anyone considering a new broker. JustMarkets makes the process simple and quick, allowing you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. You can use traditional methods like Visa MasterCard or e-wallets such as Skrill and Neteller. For those interested in cryptocurrencies, JustMarkets also accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, making it incredibly convenient for those in the crypto space. One of the standout features here is the speed of the withdrawals. Many brokers can take days or even weeks to process withdrawals, but JustMarkets typically processes withdrawals within 24 hours, and for e-wallets or crypto, it's even quicker. This is a big advantage, especially if you need access to your funds quickly. Another feature that's gaining traction in 2025 is copy trading. This allows you to follow and mirror the strategies of more experienced traders. If you're someone who doesn't have the time or expertise to analyze every market move, copy trading can be a real game changer. JustMarkets gives you full transparency into the performance of the traders you're copying. You can review their historical performance, risk levels, and current strategies before you decide to follow them. This is a low-risk way to start trading with the help of seasoned professionals. The platform also offers extensive educational resources, which is another reason why JustMarkets is a great choice for newcomers. Whether you're looking for webinars, tutorials, or detailed strategy guides, there's something for everyone. The learning materials cover everything from basic trading concepts to advanced strategies. You can also access live market analysis, which can give you a real-time look at market trends and help you make better informed decisions. Let's not forget the user interface. JustMarkets has designed a clean, simple, and efficient user interface. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to monitor your trades, review account details, and execute orders quickly. You won't find yourself lost in a sea of buttons or features. Everything is organized and you can find what you need with just a few clicks. Finally, let's talk about customer support, which can make or break your experience with a broker. JustMarkets offers 24/7 support through live chat, email, and even Telegram. Their support team is responsive and knowledgeable, ready to help with anything from technical issues to general inquiries. If you run into any trouble, rest assured that assistance is available quickly. So, is JustMarkets worth your time and money in 2025? Absolutely. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy way to start trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced features, JustMarkets has something to offer. From its low minimum deposit requirement to its variety of account types, competitive spreads, fast execution speeds, and top-notch customer support, it's a broker that ticks all the boxes. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly platform that offers flexibility, advanced tools, and a solid reputation, JustMarkets is definitely worth checking out. Whether you're trading Forex, stocks, commodities, or crypto, this platform has everything you need to take your trading game to the next level. All right, guys, I hope this review has helped you understand what JustMarkets has to offer in 2025. It's clear that they've made significant improvements over the years and continue to offer a comprehensive, reliable trading experience. If you're ready to jump into live trading or just want to test the waters, JustMarkets could be the right broker for you.